Hey guys, welcome back to this GrandMA3 tutorial series. Today we're going to look at creating fixture groups. The major parts of creating fixture groups has not changed from MA2 to MA3. For those that haven't used MA2, here's how to create a group. I want a group for my spot fixtures, the VL3500s. If my fixture sheet is up, I can click and drag from the first spot fixture to the last spot fixture, and now my spots are selected. If I don't have a fixture sheet open, I can just type in the fixture IDs I created for the spots when I first patched them. To store my group, I'm going to use the Swipey feature. Just press and hold with the left mouse button, drag down just a little, and the pull item options will appear. To choose the store option, I will drag the mouse over the store button and then release the left mouse button. Now I want to label this group spots, so I'm going to use the Swipey feature again and choose label this time. Remember to clear your selection after you have stored your group. Great, we now have a group for all of our spot fixtures. Now let's say we want to create individual groups for the spots based on their location. To do this, let's look at our 3D visualizer. You'll notice we have 4 main zones of spot fixtures. The ground package on stage left, the ground package on stage right, the upstage truss, and the downstage truss. I want to make the spots in each of those 4 zones their own group. If we click on the Show Label on Body button along the top ribbon of the 3D window, we'll now see the fixture IDs on our spots. This is helpful so we know what fixtures we are selecting. To select the fixtures we want in our downstage truss group, we can either use the fixture sheet like we did to make our spots group, or we can simply select the fixtures straight from the 3D visualizer. Just click and drag over the fixtures you want selected, and once you release, they will be highlighted. We can now store this group in the group pool and label it like we did before. Let's do this for each zone of spot fixtures. After you have created your groups, clear your selection and always remember to save your show file.